Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will have a look at the surprising health benefits of sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tall, perennial grass that is primarily grown for the production of sugar. While it is often associated with sweetness, sugarcane also offers some unexpected health benefits. 1. Provides essential nutrients. Sugarcane is a good source of various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, manganese, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients play important roles in supporting energy production, immune function, and overall health. 2. May improve digestion. Sugarcane contains a type of soluble fiber called hemicellulose, which can help promote regular bowel movements and improve digestion. The juice from sugarcane may also have a mild laxative effect, helping to relieve constipation. 3. Possesses antioxidant properties. Sugarcane contains phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that can help protect the body against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 4. May reduce inflammation. Some studies suggest that compounds in sugarcane, such as the plant pigment called cyanidin, may have anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation can be beneficial for various health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. 5. Supports skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins in sugarcane may help protect the skin from sun damage and improve skin elasticity. Applying sugarcane juice topically may also help soothe skin irritation and promote a healthy complexion. While sugarcane is primarily known for its sweetness, this versatile plant also offers a range of unexpected health benefits. Incorporating sugarcane or its juice into your diet can be a delicious way to support your overall well-being. So, the next time you come across fresh sugarcane, consider giving it a try and enjoying the potential health advantages it has to offer. That's all we have for you in this video. If you like what has been presented, please smash the like button and subscribe for more.